I'm Thea Bennett, and I'd like to welcome you to Hugo's Danish cassette course, which accompanies the textbook Danish in 3 months. Danish in 3 months is intended for people working without a teacher, who want to acquire a good practical knowledge of both spoken and written Danish in a short time. People like you. If you already have some ability in the language, but need to review what you learned a long time ago, this course will be most useful in that respect. Before you begin, read the instruction leaflet that's provided with the tapes, as well as checking through the book to get an overall picture of the recommended study plan and contents. During the recording, you'll be given additional advice on how to use the taped material to your best advantage. These cassettes are designed to complement the book by bringing to life the conversations which round off each lesson, the reading passages, and the storm P flies which speckle the text. You'll also hear many of the model sentences used to illustrate grammatical structures, and some of the exercises have been specially adapted to oral work such as role play, an effective tool in the process of learning a foreign language. And now, meet the author and the other native Danish speaker you'll hear on these cassettes.
Hello, I'm Alette Scales, and I come from Copenhagen.
And my name is Knud Ravnkilde. I was born in Virum in Sjælland. When you start reading my short introduction, Welcome to Danish, you may accuse me of throwing you in at the deep end, because it begins with a Danish quotation you've not an earthly hope of reading properly, let alone understanding. You're not expected to, of course, but you might like to hear both this and the other quotation as you look at them,